This video will demonstrate the recommended installation and setup. The brewer must be disconnected from the power source throughout the initial setup, except when specified. Attach main water line to the male flare fitting assembly. Securely attach the fitting assembly to the water fitting under brewer. Remove the front panel beneath the spray head. Rotate the control thermostat knob fully counterclockwise to the off position. Turn on water supply and verify no water leaks are present. Rotate the control thermostat knob fully clockwise to the on position. Replace the front panel. Connect the brewer to the power source. Water will start to fill the tank. After the tank is filled, place a small container beneath the faucet and open the faucet handle. Release it when you hear the tank start to refill. Place a clean empty server under spray head panel. Place a clean empty brew funnel into funnel rails. Wait approximately 20 minutes for the water in the tank to heat to the proper temperature. The brewer is now ready for brewing.